So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to install Tailwind version 4 into your React Vite project. So let's get started. So first, you have to install Tailwind CSS using the npm command. First, I'm going to stop my server, all of this, and now just type in the command npm I Tailwind CSS and then at Tailwind CSS / Vite, okay, and then press enter. So now Tailwind is installed, but since you are using Vite, you need to go to your Vite config.js file. Okay, here you need to add Tailwind CSS as a plugin. Okay, so here where it says React, you need to add a comma and then Tailwind CSS. Okay, and didn't auto import it for me, so I'm just gonna do import. From the at Tailwind CSS / Vite. Okay, and just save this. And now go to your CSS file, and I'm talking about the root CSS file, okay, the main CSS file. I'm talking about that one. So mine is index.css, okay, and this is applied to every single page on my website. So I'm going to go into this, and at the top you need to add just at import, okay, then Tailwind CSS. Okay, so this is all you need to do. Just save this. Next, just start your server. Okay, that's npm run dev for me. My server has started, and I'm gonna close these two. And now for now I'm just gonna comment this one out. I'm just gonna apply some styling to this. Okay, so I'm gonna do and in my layouts, actually I'm gonna remove all of this styling because I don't really need it anymore. Actually, I'm gonna replace this with class name, and I'm gonna add okay, so if everything worked correctly, my styling should be applied. And actually I'm gonna go to the main page. Yeah, so you can see the green styling is applied, and this is the red styling that I applied to just the text, and this text is also white because of the CSS styling. Okay, so this is how you install Tailwind CSS version 4 in your React Vite project. So give this video a like and stay updated on the latest tutorial by subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.